How y'all doing? It's yours truly, Cedric GMT Williams with the Get Money team. Listen, salute to you for watching this video. I don't care if you stumbled across it or somebody sent you to this video. But listen, I'm gonna tell y'all, in order to be successful, you know what I'm saying, your grind have to become bigger than your dreams. And what I mean by that is, when my grind, my hustle, my hard work became bigger than my dreams happened by default. See, a lot of people, it's easy to dream, right? But don't nobody want to put the work in that it takes to achieve those dreams. So when you start putting the work in, when you start grinding, I guarantee you, your dreams will happen by default. So yeah, this video is not to brag, not to boast, anything like that. Listen, I'm just trying to expand your mind, expand your vision to go out here and grind and put in the work, man. I'm telling y'all, man, I've been grinding for a long time. I want to share a strategy, a company with you guys that has changed my life. It has allowed me to drive the car that I want to drive. It has allowed me to stay in a home in a zip code that I want to stay in, man. So if you want more information on what it is that I do, just click on this button below, watch some more information, and I guarantee you, man, it's gonna change your life. Money changes situations. Information changes lives. So let me change your life. Click on that button below and I'll see you on the other side. Bang, bang.